Hey y'all, it's Mary and I got my Stitch Fix. Y'all, Stitch Fix. So I'm super excited about it. Can't wait to see what's in here. This blouse I got last summer, I think, from Stitch Fix. When you open this up, this is what it looks like on the inside. Your items are wrapped up. Stitch Fix is an at-home styling service. They choose clothing for you, 5 pieces. You can get more than 5. That's changed a little bit. You can ask for 8. I think it's 8. You can ask 7 or 8, 6, 7, 8. You can also ask them for something in particular. Like if you have a special occasion to go to, you can ask them for that. They call that an edit box that you would get. This is for anybody, for children, for men, women, teenagers. They have all kinds of clothing. They have all kinds of accessories too, purses, bags, earrings, necklaces, socks, shoes. Oh my goodness, the shoes. I have friends that have gotten shoes that love the shoes. I just have weird feet, so I have to be careful what I get. They give you a bag to send back what you might not like, and that is free shipping. And also, this is free shipping when it comes to you. If you sign up under me, you'll get $25, and it's $20 for the styling fee. So that will cover your first getting this into your house. And then you'll still have $5 toward what you buy. I think though, if you get stuff, you might get the whole $25 toward what you buy. I can't remember that far back. Anyway, there are some things in here. They have some cards for Factor, $200 off it says. And I used to get Factor. It's really good food. It's been a couple of years, but I've gotten it before, and it's nutritious and good. It's, you know, it's not like you don't feel like you're dieting. It's not really diet food. It's for anybody, but it's really good food. So if you're interested in that, just holler at me and I'll give you those codes or whatever they are on there. There also is your information about what you're getting. It tells you the pricing and you know, the price of everything, what you're gonna get, your discounts, and all this kind of stuff. So anyway, let's see what I got. I'm just gonna give you a quick peek here, and then I'm gonna try it on. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, some nice colorful things in there, and then we'll try it on. Well, y'all, this is really cute. This is just like a white t-shirt. It feels really good. It's super cute. Look at that cute picture on it. I don't really like t-shirts very much because of my shape. It's not their fault. They also sent me these pants. These pants are huge on me. And I don't wear a 2X on the bottom. So they you know, and when you put in your sizing, they ask you a bunch of questions, and they put me in as a 2X. So they're nice pants. They're really nice. They're I think they call this like not a cotton twill. I forget what it's a shiny kind of cotton feel. I don't know what it's made of. I'll have to look. But it has pockets, which is great. It has pockets in the back. But you know, look at how big they are on me. That is not okay. So I will not be keeping these. But and they go to my ankles, so you can't really see that here. But that's what we got. Y'all, this is really pretty. I just kept the pants on for now. I swear they've sent me this blouse before. I think they've sent me this before. And I did not get it because I didn't get anything else in the fix, so I didn't get it. But I might get it this time. I don't know. I like it. It's it feels good. It's pretty for summer. The sleeves are nice. The sleeves don't bother me at all. I'm picky about sleeves. I have been wearing short sleeves because you all told me to, even though I have these big giant arms. So it's a button down. And oh, I guess this is, I didn't realize that was so low. I don't know if I can put it up a little bit. We'll try. Whoops. Anyway, I'll fix it for the next thing. It's a collar like that. So here, is that better? You can see the blouse. Okay. Turn around. So it's just, you know, regular. It has little side splits there, whatever you call that. I like this blouse. So this is pretty. I like it. It has, I don't like the sleeve only because I don't like my arms, but it's pretty. It's flouncy. And I have bought things like this because y'all have encouraged me to try it. So I do like this. Let me turn around so you can see the back. And it has, again, it has these little split things right here, which is nice. This came with, this is huge on me. It does have adjustable straps. This is a, I'm going to show you my bra. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that. It's huge on me. So this needs adjusting at the straps, but it came with this under, why can't I think of the name of that? You all know what I'm talking about, but that's nice. So that can be, this is detached. It's actually attached, but it's because it goes with this, but it's just a little snip. And that can be used with different blouses, you know, and it's, you know, beige, which is nice. So it does not look good with the blue pants, but you know what I mean. But it's, I don't know. I think I like it. I'm showing this one last. I don't like this at all because of my stomach. It's my fault. But this one is snug on me. It probably fits, but I'm not a person that shows this all out. My rolls, you know, so I don't care for it. I'm gonna pull it away because I don't like that. I love the green. I love green. These sleeves are just, it's basically sleeveless to me, and I'm not gonna wear that. But it's cute. What do y'all think? I'm not keeping it. So y'all, Stitch Fix for me is lots and lots of fun. I saw this for years and years before I ever tried it because I am very picky. And if you're not picky, you would just love it. I love it. It saves me time. I don't have to go shopping. I am covered up in my day. If I could tell you how many hours I work and everything, it's a lot. I've got a lot going on. I know we all do. We all are very, very busy. So this kind of thing saves a lot of time. You start off with a stylist, and my first stylist I had for a little while, and then she didn't send me something too good, and then, you know, you could keep them or not. And I always just say, do what you want to them. Well, so they've been sending me a new stylist every time. So I don't know why. I'm positive I had that one blouse before. I didn't get it though. But this says, "Hi Mary, you're fixed today with style by Christina." And then she writes a lovely letter. "I'm really glad you shared such clear feedback." I did. They send you, not your first time, but after your first time, they send you an email showing 10 items that they've chosen for you. And you can say yay or nay, and, you know, give a reason why you don't like it, so that they won't, you know, don't, you know, like, I don't like sleeveless, you know what I mean? So that way they won't put you in another sleeveless. So, or whatever the case might be, or say it's a hideous color for you, or, you know, I love florals, but that one doesn't look good on me, whatever, you know, give them a reason why you're rejecting it. But you can also choose some of them, and I get 5 items, as you see, and that's fine with me. And I've been getting this like every 6 weeks or so. You can get it as often as 3 weeks, I think, and as seldom as, I think it's 6 months, I think. Well, all right, so she says, "Thank you for the clear feedback." And I didn't like the preview. So I was very disappointed because I've been with them a while and I thought that they should know more about me. But it's because they have a new person, you know. Anyway, so she's telling me about, you know, I told her that I needed stuff for warm weather, and she's talking about that. So she talks about the products. I won't read the whole thing to you, but then it shows us the items. So this t-shirt, this is from Market and Spruce. I like that brand. That's a really nice plus size brand. And it says, let's see, does it tell me the, it is investing in better cotton. This one is 100% cotton, which is what it feels like, which is so comfortable. I love cotton, but I don't like t-shirts. I think it's because of my shape. You know, a lot of people wear, heck, everybody wears t-shirts. I do wear the CatLadyBox t-shirts, but I mostly wear them around the house. I just don't like this. I think this is stinking cute. It's so cute. But to me, I could see through it. I don't like that because I'm more modest. And it's because I'm large size. You know, if I had this fabulous body, I wouldn't mind walking around naked all the time, right? But anyway, super cute. And it did fit me, but I don't like things snug around my middle. And that's my fault that I have a big middle. So this one is, I have several things from Market and Spruce. So which one is it? I think this is the crew neck, I would say. It doesn't say t-shirt on here anywhere. Marella Classic crew neck, maybe? And because it says that it's white, that's how I picked it out. And it is a 2X, and it's $24.97 is the cost of that. Now, some of these items may be on sale by some of the prices. That is nice. It's nice to get, they have great sales. You can go on their website and just buy stuff. I don't know if you have to be a member to do that, but I mean, I can go and buy stuff, and they'll send me emails that they're having like a 50% off and stuff like that. So they have some really good sales, really good sales. And then these pants, y'all. These are really nice, but they're too big on me. These are the Marietta Elastic Waistband Straight Leg in blue. These are an 18W. I usually wear an 18W, but to me they just felt huge. These are only $30.97, so they must be on sale. They're by the brand Market and Spruce. They are 59% lyocell, 38% cotton, and 3% spandex. They feel wonderful on, but here it's an elastic waist, and like I showed you, it had back pockets and front pockets. I think I have it, and then it does have loops if you want to put a belt in. It has that as well, and I forget what they call this kind of cotton. To me, this is it's like a man's casual slack. I don't want to say twill because I think that has a little bit of a texture to it. This is smooth, really smooth, and it feels, it's shiny. It feels really good. It's very nice, and these are a nice lightweight for summer, but they just were way too big on me. Now, I can ask them to send me the 16 and see how that goes. I've done that before where they've sent me something else, and I've always liked what they've sent me. If I don't like it, I don't know what happens. So I haven't gone that far with them yet. So, but that's a great price, $30.97. Then we tried this on, and I swear this might have been in my last fix, y'all. 1 or 2 fixes ago, and I did like it, but I ended up not getting anything. This is pretty. It has, it's not my favorite thing. A button-down blouse is not my favorite thing, but I love the pattern going on here. I think it's really summery, definitely summery. And the sleeve is pretty. It's a little bit, it goes up just a wee bit. It's got a little bit of a prettiness to it. And it has these couple of stitches here to give it a little bit of a floof, if you will. But it's a shirt collar and a button down. And then it is a longer, I like it. I like this one a lot. This is the, let's see, this is from Montgomery Post. And now this one's a 1X. I don't know why they sent me a 1X. I'm really surprised, honestly, because they usually always send me the 2X. This did not seem small at all. This one fit me. So this one is $37.97. So I do like that one a lot. I like that one a lot. Next up, we had this. When I first saw this, I'm like, oh, that's so dark for summertime. But this, in the weather here in Alabama, I can wear this in the fall without any problem. And I can wear it in the summer too. Let me try to, here, let me show you how this is. The under thing is so nice. It is stitched in there. See how it's just in there for us to know that this goes together. You just would snip that, and then you have this under thing, a cami, finally thought of the word. It is stretchy. It's very cottony feel, except that you can feel, that nice stretch to it. I'm trying to get it where I can show you. It has thicker than bra straps, but see, you can adjust it like a bra strap. So when I put it on, it was way low on me. I would put it up a little bit, but I love the color. I do wear camis all the time. This brand is Britain. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, because it's hooked in there. I don't want to cut it out if I'm not gonna keep it. I haven't decided yet. Okay, so it has darts in the front, you know, for where your bra would be, you know. So that is very nice to have underneath this blouse. So let me throw this back in here so I can show you the blouse. I probably will try it on again and really think about it, because I think I like it. I got it tangled up now, y'all. I don't know if I can hold it up to show you, because that, pulling that aside, I tangled that up somehow. I see how I did it now, but anyway, it is very nice, loose. Oh, you know what? I did not like these sleeves. I didn't like the sleeves now that I'm thinking about it. It's pretty and cute, but you know, I'm just picky that way. But I like the length of it and all. So I'll try it on again and see what I think. That one is, let's see what that one is, from Britain. It is called Diane Ruffle Sleeve Blouse. Now it's saying that color is purple. And y'all know, sometimes in the light, I'm seeing purple now. I did not see purple until they told me it was purple. To me, this was brown, but I do see some of that purple in there. So there you go. Okay. And that's a 2X, and that is on sale, $17.97. That is a good price. That's a good price for the under thing. You know what I'm saying? So it might be worth getting just for that. And then last, I had this green top. This is $45. This one's not on sale. I think everything else was on sale, y'all, based on the prices. This is Market & Spruce. I do like that brand very much. This is called the Everly Short Sleeve Eyelet. This is so pretty, y'all. I think this probably would, this would be so pretty in many colors. It is like a ribbed t-shirt, like a, you know those ribbed t-shirts that are sleeveless that men wear? If you can see the ribbing, I don't know if you can see it. And then it has these eyelet sleeves. These are beautiful, but I don't like sleeveless. And to me, this was sleeveless. So, but very pretty, the eyelet. This fabric is different than the t-shirt, but it's like a cotton. Very pretty. And this one not on sale. So my total is $156.88 for all 5 pieces. If I were to keep everything, they give you a 25% discount. Buy 5 discount, 25% off, $39.22. It would make it $117.66. Now, y'all, in the month of June, they offer me what they call a style pass. And I thought everybody was offered that, but I found out over the years that that's not true. They offer me a style pass, and it's $49. So I paid that already, because when they send the email, if you don't, they ask you, or they give you a couple days. If you don't want it, you can cancel it. But I pay $49 for that, and then they take that off of whatever I buy. So basically, I'm getting free, because if I don't like this batch, I'll like the next batch or something. Eventually, I'll get my $49 back, and I pay nothing going forward. For all my fixes, I don't pay for the $20 style fee. So that is really nice. So I can get my pieces and not like any of them and send them back, and I'm not out anything. So if you're ever offered the style pass, take it. It's $49, and you get that back when you pick something out. So that is my fix for today, y'all. Let me know what you think. If you're interested, I have the link below for how you can join. And like I said, you would start off with $25 already in your favor. So that will cover your styling fee. If you don't like anything, you can send it back and be done with it if you don't like it. But to me, I get excited when I see the box. Even if I don't like anything, y'all, it's still fun to me, because I don't have to go to the store. That saves me so much time, y'all. And in this day and age, you know, it saves you gas, all this other. So, and then all the stuff on sale this time. Fantastic. Y'all take care and count your blessings. So good to see you. Bye-bye. Let me know what you think.